Today, I will show you how to download videos from the NASA website. Go to any of your browser and search for NASA Gallery. You will find the official website right on top as www.nasa.gov. Now click here on NASA Image and Video Library. You will see a page like this where you have the search option for images, videos, and audio. For this demonstration, I will search Earth. As you can see, we have a lot of images and videos over here. On the left-hand side, we have the option to filter our search. I will click here on Images and update results so that we can see only videos and audios. Now click on the video that you want to download. After clicking on it, you can play it to see how the video looks. This video is good enough, so now click here on the download option. You will see 3 more options. Click on Original and the video will open in New tab. Allow the video to start playing. Click here on these 3 dots and click Download. Your video will start downloading. As you can see, the video is successfully downloaded. Now if you want to know how to make captions like Mr. Beast, then make sure you check out this video. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.